Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today we're going to be making my triple berry spinach salad. Now all we're going to need for this recipe is 6 ounces of fresh spinach that has been rinsed and washed. We're also going to need 1/4 cup of your 2 favorite berries. Now mine are blackberry and raspberry at this particular time of the year. Now you can use any berries, fresh berries that you'd like. These are just the 2 I'm going to use. I'm also going to use around a tablespoon of dry goji berries. Now any dry berry or fruit will work for this recipe. Again, I like the goji berry. Raisins will also work, but goji berries are what I'm going to go for. Also, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of whole flaxseed. Now this is to add some crunch to the salad. It is not for any other reason other than that. So I don't use ground flaxseed, I don't use milled flaxseed, it is whole flaxseed just to add some crunch. You can also use a sesame seed as an alternative to that. And then I'm going to be using 100% pure balsamic vinegar. I like the balsamic vinegar that is unflavored, but flavored balsamics, as long as there's no oil, are also great. We're going to be using around 2 tablespoons, maybe 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar for this. So I'm going to bring you guys in here and we're going to get started on this triple berry spinach salad. All right, to get started on this recipe, really simple. All we're going to do is add in our berries. There's the blackberries and raspberries, some goji berries, and then we've got our flaxseed. I'm just gonna sprinkle it over top. And then with the balsamic vinegar, I don't necessarily always measure it out, but I kind of have a feeling, but if you would like to measure it out, you can. I'm just gonna give it a nice drizzle. You can always add more if you need to. And you can eat it just like that. You can mix it up, but I am going to eat it just like that. I'm gonna get the kitchen cleaned up a little bit and I will see you guys in just a second. All right, our triple berry spinach salad is done. I hope you guys saw how easy it is to make. It's very simple. A few ingredients that are pretty interchangeable, but this is something that I will eat on a regular basis. I have my Southwest spinach salad that I'll eat. But especially if I'm wanting something a little bit, not so much lighter, but a little bit more fresher with the berries, I will go for this triple berry spinach salad. I am gonna go ahead and give it a try. And you know, you can mix it up, you can eat it just like this. I just try to get some spinach and some berry in every bite. Really, really good. If you're not a big balsamic vinegar fan and all you've tried is, say, the regular balsamic, I would recommend going out and looking for some flavor-infused balsamics. There are some great options out there, but if you like the pure balsamic like I do, it makes a great option for this salad. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do go ahead and give this recipe a try, please let me know how it goes in the comment section below. And if you're on Facebook, make sure you like this video and my page, Plant-Based Gabriel, to make sure you stay up to date with all the recipes coming out, as well as on YouTube at Plant-Based Gabriel, where all my recipes can be found. And this recipe, all my past and future recipes can be found at plantbasedgabriel.com. I am Plant-Based Gabriel, thanking you so very much for watching, and I will hopefully see you very, very soon.